Hello everyone, this is DBG here, and today I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial will be on how to fix your broken speaker on your PC. So first, I'm going to play a song, and then you're going to hear how the broken speaker sounds. My left speaker is burst, so let's hear it. As you can hear, it's grumbling, and you can't, like if you want to watch a movie or some YouTube video, it's not good to listen. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it, and then we're going to listen to how it sounds. First, you want to go to this volume icon at the top here in the taskbar, and you want to right click on playback devices. Then you want to go to speakers, right click on properties, then you go click on levels, and then in here you want to click on balance. And if your right speaker is broken, you want to carry down like about 10 to 20. So my left speaker is broken, so I'm going to carry it down like 20, around there. Click OK. So now I'm gonna play the music again and hear how it sounds. So there you guys have it. That's how it is. It's simple, and you can listen to your favorite music, play your YouTube videos again without hearing that grumbling sound. So thank you guys for watching. This is DBK here. I'm out. Peace.